making an unboxing video of Philips Dreamstation Auto CPAP. So this is the carrying case of the device. And here you see in the box there is a user manual. This is a 15 mm tube. Also here you see a filter. This is a disposable ultra-fine filter. Also this is a power cord which comes with a power adapter. And here this is the device itself. The front panel contains the rotating knob and the display screen. Next you can see an on-off button, therapy on-off button, and this is the ramp button. If you see behind, this is where you connect the hose pipe, and here in the side you have an SD card and a reusable pollen filter. Also behind you can find information on the product, the serial number, and also a QR code where you can scan for using the Dream Mapper app. And here you see is where you'll connect the power supply. So this is our Philips Dreamstation Auto CPAP, and this is all the accessories and device that is in the box. Thank you.